Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 3 best investing apps for beginners in 2021. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about any of these apps. Now guys, I have an Instagram. I want you guys to help me by following me on Instagram. I'm trying to get my followers up. I share a lot of business information, entrepreneur information over there on Instagram. So go to @AppGrind after this video and follow me and shoot me a DM if you have any questions about any of my videos. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this first app. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm at the first app, and I'm sure you may have heard this app before. It's called Acorns, Save and Invest. So with Acorns, it's going to help you save and invest for the future, invest spare change with roundups. So when you connect your Acorn account with your debit account, every time you spend your money, the change is going to go into your Acorn account. So you're going to be investing automatically. Invest while you spend, like I just said a minute ago. When you buy something, you're going to be investing your spare change. Invest while they grow, and easily invest for retirement. So let's just scroll down here and learn a little bit more right quick. I'm going to go a little bit faster, guys, because I want to show you the other 2 apps. So you'll be able to get started in minutes. Give your money a chance to grow in the background of life. So also on here, guys, you'll be able to invest for kids. You also be able to bank on here, so you can bank smarter with this app. Earn rewards. You can shop 12,000 brands that invest in you. Search millions of jobs in our job finder and earn exciting referral bonuses. How about that, guys? Grow your knowledge. Now let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars is 4.3. All right, guys, so that's all I'm going to say about this app. If you want to read the reviews, you can just come to Google Play Store and look up the app and read the reviews. So let me go ahead and go to the second app. Okay, guys, I'm at the second app, and you may have heard this app before. It's called Robinhood. So with Robinhood, you're going to invest in your favorite companies with just $1. So you're going to invest in stocks, options, and funds. So you'll be able to buy and sell crypto commission free. Get in at the IPO price. Get your first stock on us. Earn interest on your cash. Stay informed with customized news. Easy to learn, easy to use. Now let's just scroll down here and learn a little bit more right quick. So here's what you get when you join Robinhood. Finance Explained will help you better understand financial markets, trading tools. Before buying a stock, ETF, or cryptocurrency, you can access real-time market data, see the analyst ratings, secure and trusted, and you have stocks, funds, options, and crypto. So with Robinhood Financial, you can invest in stocks, funds, option, and you can also buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. Now let's just scroll down and look at the rating. Now the 5 stars is 3.8. Now I always say anything over 4.0 is a very good app, but sometimes it be a little glitches when they update the app, and people give their little reviews. People give their 2 cents on if they don't like the update on the app. But this Robinhood has been around for a while, very popular investing app, so you should check it out. So just go to Robinhood Investment and Trading Commission free in the Google Play Store and the Apple Store. Now let me go ahead and go to the final app. This final app, I've never talked about it before. It's a very new app. So let me go to that app right now. Okay guys, I'm at the final app, and the name of this app is Investor Play, Learn, and Invest. They got a little video you can check out. So it says here, commission-free investing, banking, and all the tools you need to become a great investor. Join the investor community and take charge of your financial future today. So with Investor, you can bank, you can invest in crypto, US stocks, ETFs, fractional shares at zero commission, play, manage a $1 million virtual portfolio on fantasy finance, compete to win prizes, and challenge your friends. Learn, boost your investing and finance education, so you'll be able to learn more about investing. Invest with Real Investor, currently available in the US. Invest for $5 via fractional share trading with US stocks. They also got a zero commission on crypto. Let's just scroll down here and look at the ratings. So out of 5 stars, it's 4.2. It's a very good app, guys. And I'm not going to read none of the reviews. Just come check it out, guys. This is a new one, fairly new investing app. I think it's a pretty good app. Please come check it out, install it, and start investing. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about any of these apps. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, one more thing before I go. I do shout outs, and the way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment and I flash it on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for sharing, if you're sharing my videos, and thank you for hitting that like button for me. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks again for tuning in. Road to 7,000. Let's get there by the end of October. It's October the 18th, guys, so we still got some days to go until the end of the month. Let's get there. Road to 7,000. Let's go. Let's get it. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks again. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.